Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have my last of my Halloween makeup, and this is a Day of the Dead Mexican skull. And if you are new here, then hi, I'm Joanna and I do all kinds of makeup and beauty videos, so consider subscribing, and if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start this look, I'm going to prime with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Now, for my base, I don't want a fully white look. You could do that if you want to, but I'm going to do a very pale base. And for that I'm going to mix the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation and a little bit of the Pro Foundation Mixer in white. And whenever doing such a different color base, don't forget to blend down your neck very well, and also on the ears. I'm also going to add a little bit of the Essence Camouflage Concealer. And I'm not going a lot around the eyes because I'm going to fill that with black. And to set this base, I'm going to use the Technique Soft Focus Transparent Loose Powder. Now, for the areas around my eyes and also for my nose and a few other areas that I might want to fill in with black, I'm going to outline them. And I'm going to be using the Kiko Definition Waterproof Eyeliner. So now I'm going to fill in these areas, and I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm going to fill it in very roughly, and then going again with the eyeliner on the outside to make sure it's even. And I'm also going to use the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline, and I'm going to use the black from the You Can Be Changeable Fantasy, the black, to set these areas. using a bigger brush to really set around my eyes. Especially to avoid any creasing on my lid. Now, around my eyes, I'm going to take a very thin brush and I'm using the Revolution SFX Ultimate Face Paint palette. And I'm going to take this purple color and I'm going to do some kind of almost petal shapes. Actually, I think I can do it with a bigger brush, especially to kind of fill it in. Also, if it doesn't look very detailed, don't worry, because I'm going to outline it later with eyeliner. And now, as I said, I'm going to outline it with black eyeliner, and I'm using again the one from Kiko. So that is basically it for this eye. Now, because this does take forever, I'm going to do the same thing on the other one and I'll be right back. Okay, so that part is done. Now I'm going to take this orange color and I'm going to do kind of a heart in the middle of my forehead and also kind of a flower shape on my chin. And then I'll also outline it with the Kiko eyeliner. Still has a little bit of the red cream paint, but that kind of also looks good. My camera is kind of having a little bit of a hard time focusing on me. Okay, so that outline came out a little bit thick, but I'm gonna pretend that it's meant to be. Now, because I want this look to kind of have a colorful but marked contour, I'm going to use a mix of these two shades. Now I'm actually going to conceal my lips because I forgot to do that, and I'm going to draw the outlines of my mouth and of my teeth. And with the brush I used to settle my eyes that actually are creasing a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit on the inside of my mouth. And then this end part, I'm just going to shade a little bit with the black eyeshadow. And actually, I might mix in a little bit of this purple. So now I'm just going to add a few details, nothing too much, and I'm going to give this look by concluded. Okay, and so this is the finished look, and I did add a few details. You can add as much details as you want to this kind of makeup. And with this look, I conclude this year's Halloween series. Let me know in the comments below what other looks you would like me to do next year. I might take a few suggestions, and if you liked this, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps me so much. And next I'm going to be filming my next video that are my October favorites, so if you'd like to see that, then stay tuned. And that is everything for this video. Happy Halloween, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!